Yo, what's going on, guys? Chris here, Iron Core athlete. And you know what? The storm Sandy has just hit, and we are here live in the gym as we speak right now. I got the generators hooked up, got a little heater running, got some lights. Everything's set up, ready to go for the guys to come in, get in the trenches and get it done. Oh, never a moment in my mind where I thought that this would happen, but you know what? It is. You make sacrifices, you gotta do what you gotta do. You gotta get a generator, run it, get some power into place. Time to go to work. Good. Good work, buddy. Keep that back flat now, let's go. Chest up. Keep that chest up, man, there you go. Keep it up. Good form. Chest up, back flat. Good. Keep that chest up, man. Get those toes pointed out. Toes pointed out. Sink them hips down. Chest is up.